is the liquid of life. We all need it to survive. Water, choose water first. Water, we all know it is precious. Should be enjoyed by all of us. Talking about water, choose water first. Water.
This week on Water Wednesdays, we're back in the north at Roundy Town, St. Peter, as our crews complete another part of the mains replacement program. It's all about getting the old, deteriorated mains out of the ground, laying new mains, and getting them connected to improve service coming into your home and business. Director of Engineering, Charles Leslie, brings us up to speed.
This project around the town St. Peter is one of many projects that the Barbados Water Authority is doing right now. This project really entails just rerouting two mains we have across this particular bridge at around the town. It was an old 15-inch main that was probably laid back in the 60s or early 60s, and a 7-inch main. But just prior to us coming in to do the work, the main was damaged, with the construction activity. So we decided to come in and to do a relay of just over 100 meters of the main. But due to the age of the main and the corrosion that has occurred in that main over the years, the main started to drop into holes. So we ended up having to go back to be able to deal with the replacement and to get back to a section of main that is sturdy enough to hold for the duration of the project. The existing pipes travel through the bottom of this bridge that we're standing on, but this bridge is going to be removed and completely replaced. So the proposal was to lay a new pipe which would go down the size of the embankment, go underneath the new bridge, and then come back up again. The preparations that we had made before were inadequate for that extension of work. So we had to be cutting the road further back to accommodate the extension. And the cutting of the road wasn't easy because over the years, the side walls for the bridge and so forth were cast on the existing main. So we had to cut through all of that concrete, get down to the existing main to do the work that we were asked to do on this drainage project. This is just part of the Spikestown Drainage Improvement Project that we are working on along with the Ministry of Public Works and BTI to facilitate better drainage in this Spikestown area. As a result of this work, areas that were impacted were as far down as Six Men's Village, all the way back up to the Spikestown, Roundy Town, Chapel Street. Those areas were impacted as a direct result of the problems that we encountered here. But we were able to facilitate them using the fleet of tankers that we have. But by the end of today, those residents should be getting back water again. The guys have been working here since Friday around the clock, and we had a number of challenges. We had an issue where we had to be working closely around the utility poles. We had issues with as I indicated before, with the main dropping into holes, so we started having to work, further and further back. So it's taken us longer than we anticipated, but right now we have the larger main, the 15-inch under control that has been replaced, and the guys are actually now just flushing and sanitizing that main to put it back into operation. And we're working on the 7-inch main now, the final connection of that 7-inch main to put that into operation as well. So before the end of today, we should have both mains fully operational again on the job. But we're thankful for the customers for being sympathetic with us, and we're hoping that we can get this main completed in short order.
And we'll continue to update you on other mains laying projects and programs right here on Water Wednesdays. To view this or a previous episode again, please visit our website, www.barbadoswaterauthority.com. You can go to our Facebook or Instagram pages for additional information, and please subscribe to our Water Wednesdays channel on YouTube. You can definitely find us there.